How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Trucking Life. For any of you that are new around here, my name is Blaine Evans, and this is Trucking Life. This is my trucking vlog. So, on your entry, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on for all my newest material, and, well, let's get to it. When I posted the other day, I told you guys that we were going to do an oversized load, or we were trying to get an oversized load to get our feet wet in that side of the industry. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. We were supposed to pick up some tires from the Kennecott copper mine up in Salt Lake City, Utah. But when it came down to it, I have my daughter on my truck, who's up there on the bunk. Well, Kennecott didn't want, I guess, people on the truck with you or something, or at least that's what the broker said. So, and so we weren't able to get that load. The broker was going to call and figure out if we still could get her, onto the copper mine, but unfortunately that's where it ended. So we weren't able to get that oversized load and get our feet wet, on the oversized load part of the industry. So that kind of sucked, but like anything else, you get some loads, you don't get some loads. So we went ahead and got another load. It was a guardrail for like the side of the roads on the highways and whatnot. So we went and picked that load up yesterday, and I was gonna vlog that load for you yesterday, but by the time we got loaded, it was 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so I concentrated on driving. It dropped just outside of Pahrump, Nevada, which is kind of down where we are now. We're out on Blue Diamond Road, just outside of Las Vegas. So I am waiting to get a drywall load that's heading down into California. And so I figured I'd make you guys a video, because this is what I'm dealing with. So as you can see, we're still a few trucks back in line. So we're just hanging out waiting. But so I figured I'd jump on, give you guys some load updates, let you know that the oversized load didn't go through, but as soon as we do pick one up, I'll definitely vlog about it. I'll let you know, what we had to do to get permits, whether we have to get pilot cars, those kind of things. So, but while I was sitting here waiting, I know I promised you guys that I would give you an update on the TV installation, and so I figured I could go ahead and do that. So, as you all know, I did a video back in, I think it was late December, of installing a TV in a truck, and quite a few of you have watched that video and hopefully learned how to put a TV in a truck. That was my first time, and so it's worked great. But anyways, I'll jump back in the sleeper so that you guys can check that out. So if you guys remember from the video, I did a mount up here in this cubby, and as you can see, the TV is still hanging, working. And then we also have the mount that's down around this corner. So the lower mount that's around the corner right there is what I use when I'm by myself, because when I'm by myself I have that bed flipped up, and so that puts it right over there in front of my feet. But when my kids come out on the truck with me over the summer, we're going to stick it on this top mount, which you see, it can easily move around, and you can also, tilt it up and down so the person on the lower bunk can see it better. But yeah, the mount's still working amazing. As you can see, my daughter's watching TV. while we're waiting to get loaded with some drywall. So I have my Xbox in that cubby, and then I added this fan just for the heat and stuff because it's getting hot out here, and so I added that fan as well. And then I don't know if you guys can see it, but here's my mini fridge.
Stop. Okay, keep going. My point is, you're amazing.
And so I installed the mini fridge. The mini fridge was actually in before the TV, and I have a microwave down behind that box as well. But I don't know if it's the same. This is a Volvo V&L 670, but that microwave, I took out that cabinet that's behind the driver's seat, and one of the full-size mini fridges fits perfectly into that slot. I just have my seat slid as far back as it can go, and that fridge never moves anywhere. I don't have, like, it's not secured to the wall or anything. It's just set in that spot, and I've never had any issues with it trying to tip over, with it trying to move, anything, and it's been there for 6-7 months. But yeah, I just thought I would give you guys those updates. And but we're gonna hang out and watch some shows, and then one thing you want to do on the fridges though is mount a door lock on the fridge, because the fridge doors, like going up over the mountains into Denver, Colorado, with all the potholes and bouncing, or on I-5 even down in California, if you have too many water bottles in the fridge, I've noticed that you'll push that door right open. So definitely get a little door lock to keep that door closed. But yeah, with that being said, we're going to hang out, get loaded. I did pick up some brand new tarps that we ordered, and so if they make us tarp this load, I'll show you guys those tarps. We found a place to get some really nice heavy duty tarps at a reasonable price. So yeah, that said, I will see you guys in a minute. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all here in a second. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry about the wind noise. We're in Baker, California. We're going to end off the night here. Just stopped and grabbed some good old Del Taco. Now we're waiting to cross the street. But as you can see, there's the famous thermostat that's, I don't know, tallest in the world, or only thermostat in the world, or something. But I don't know if you guys can read it, but I think it currently says it is hot as balls. But no, just kidding. It's saying 97 degrees in Baker, California. But we're going to jump in the truck. My daughter would stop dropping her water, and get back on the road. But I thought I'd leave you guys here. So they didn't make us use tarps on the load, as you can tell. So, but hopefully I can show you guys the tarps here soon. But anyways, I will leave you guys with that. But thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And then we'll see you guys here on the next video. Sorry, a guy was on the CB talking to his buddy. But anyways, we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. We're gonna eat food, hit the road. See you later.